walk is good exercise. Let's walk on the jogging track. Come on.
मैंने आपका बहुत सेंसिटिव बोलना है आपने
Let's go see what is inside. Wow, this is the gazebo sitting area. This is the gazebo. There are swings. Zina, let's play on the swings. Okay. And I will push you. Okay. Push me higher. More. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swinging is 1. Back and 4. Back and 4. I'm swinging. Yay! This is swing. This is swing. I'm going forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth. This is a rock bridge. This is light. What is this? This is slide. What is this? This is a slide. Zimo, let's go to slide. Come on. Watch me climb up the ladder. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Watch me climb up the ladder. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm climbing up the slide. Wow! I am going down the slide. Come on, let's go upstairs. I'm going upstairs. Ooh, let's go jump. 1. I'm going upstairs. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. I'm climbing up the ladder. Sliding down is so much fun. Wow! Let's go again. I'm going up the ladder. This is called a climbing wall. rock wall. These girls are climbing the rock wall. They are coming down now. This is a jungle gym. And that whole setup, it's also called the jungle gym. Bird cage. This is a bird cage. Wow, look. I think there is a bird cage. Let's go see. Oh, wow. Let's open it. Oh, wow, birds. This is a bird cage. Oh, look. They are beautiful, colorful parrots. Bye-bye. Can we go inside the bird cage? Oh, birds! Oh, birds, do you want to eat something? Look at the birds in cage, so many. They are so colorful and cute. Look at them. Oh, look, don't fight. Oh, my look over there. They are so beautiful. Wow, I'm so excited. They are so cute. Look, that is fountain. Come on, let's go and watch. We have lost our drinking water bottle. We have lost it. Oh. This is a trash bin. What is it? It's a trash bin. Come on, let's find our water bottle. This is trash bin. Hi, this is Lisa. What is this? This is Lisa. This is my friend Zima. And this is my little brother William. Lisa. Hey, baby. Look at me. Baby. Lisa. Up and down. Up, down. Oh. Up, Sisa, down. Sisa, up. Sisa. Hey, look, no. Oh, what is that? Wow, it's so big. Just like Sisa down, Sisa up, Sisa down, Sisa up, Sisa down. Whoa. This is a sandbox. We can make sand castles in in the sandbox. It is so much fun. This is a picnic table. This is a picnic table. This is a picnic table where we can sit and eat snack. Here we can eat snack. Picnic table. This is picnic table. Oh, I bought my just one. I lost my bottle. I will find always not there. Those are benches. Those are benches. This is a bench. Bench for sitting. This is bench. This is bench. This is bench. This is a walkway. This is a walkway. And I like to walk on it. This is a fence. This is such a long fence. It's a view of the safety of park. Wow! This is a merry-go-round. This is a merry-go-round. What is that? That is monkey bar. What is that? That is monkey bar. This girl is climbing across the monkey bars. This is grass. This is grass. Okay friends, I see you later. We will meet in the next video. Keep learning until then. Bye-bye. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin. Hey, hey, hey. Apple. Apples falling from the tree. Two little dusty birds sitting on the wall. These are my glasses. This walking through the jungle. What can you see? A kangaroo looking at me.